बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। स्टूडेंट्स, अभी जो टॉपिक जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ये है फ्रैक्शंस एंड परसेंटेजेस। दिस टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू पेपर वन and it is without calculator, and for O level, because there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is without calculator, and paper 2 uh, you can use the calculator in paper 2. Okay, before starting this I want to tell you something. uh, my video is there for related to the prime numbers, uh, and you can like also watch that uh, video to just understand what is the prime number. Basically prime numbers are if any number have exactly two different factors, one and itself. For example, there are many numbers, uh, 1 and 3. These are the factors of 3, 1 and 2. These are the factors of 2. And similarly, 1 and 5, factors of the 5. 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. 2, 3, 5, 7, not 9, 11, 1 and 11 has the two factors. So all the numbers, those have two factors, are known as prime numbers. And 2 is the only number which is even and even prime. Rest of all the numbers are uh, odd numbers are prime, but not all odd numbers are prime. If any odd number have exactly two factors, that is prime. Now I want to discuss with you people co-prime. Co-prime. Basically, co-prime is if you have the two numbers. Co it's a relation between two numbers. And if you have two numbers, for example, 8 and 15. If you check them individually, 8 factors of 8 are, uh, I also told you about how to find out the factors. 1, 2, 4, and 8 are the all possible factors of 8, and 15, all possible factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, and 15. If there is nothing common between between the factors, say there is only just one is a factor which is common between 8 and 15, means HCF of the given two number, if the HCF of the given two number is equal to 1, then the given two numbers are known as co-prime. If you have A over B plus C over D, and if A and D are co-prime, even plus or minus, then your answer is you just multiply them A into D. If A and D are co-prime, then this multiplied with this and this multiplied with this. So BD plus AC. This is your answer. But the condition is A and D must be the prime numbers. Okay. And if A and D are not co-prime, then we have to take the LCM first, and we can like solve the given equation, given fraction. Okay. If you see 11 and 7, so these two are co-prime. Actually, I also told you about the techniques, how to solve uh, the things, numericals, without calculator. You have 7, 11 into 7 because both are co-prime. 11 into 7. And then you multiply this 7 with this and this 11 with this. So this is 4 into 7 minus 2 into 11. Don't multiply 11 into 7 at this stage because we are waiting. Maybe there is some value in numerator which is cancelled with 11 or 7. So this is 28 minus 22 over 11 into 7. And this is equal to, or you can write it like this, 28 minus 22 over 11 into 7. And your answer is 6 over 77. Now you can multiply them because you see 6 is not cancelled with 11 or 7. This is your answer. The next is uh, again the denominator 7 and 5. 7 and 5. And you multiply 2 with 5 plus 1 with 7. And you get 10 plus 7 over 35. Now you can multiply because it's obvious. It's 17 is not cancelled with any of the values 7 or 5. So this is 17 over 35 is your answer. Next, 2 into 2 over 5 into, first of all, you have to uh, make them a improper fraction. Mean now it is in mixed fraction. So you convert it into improper fraction form. This is basically 1 into 5 plus 1 over 5. Mean you multiply this one with 5 with this one, and then you add in it in 1 in numerator. So you get 6 over 5. And that is equals to numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator, and you get 12 over 25. Similarly, 8 into 5, and this is 5 plus 16. Mean I just take it like this, 2 into 8, it is 16. And you can like skip this step if you have a clear idea to what you get. So this is 5 plus 16 over 8 into 5, and this is 21 over 40. Now there is a percentage. Okay. If suppose you have 10%, 10%, and you want to uh, convert it into fraction form, so you just divide 10 by 100, and your fraction is 1 over 10. Suppose you have 15%. So you divide 15 over 100, and say 5 cancel with this. This is 3 and this is 20. So 3 over 20 is 15%. Similarly, but here is 17 over 1 over 2%. First of all, you convert it into uh, fraction form, and this is paper 1. Therefore, don't convert it into the decimals. Uh, This is 34 plus 1 over 2, and that is equals to 35 over 2. Now you can use like this, mean divided by 100, but it confuses you a lot. So you just use this division sign and 100. Now this 100, if there is nothing in denominator, it means 1 is there. So you convert this division sign into the multiplication sign, 35 over 2, and it is 1 over 100. Now you can cancel with this 5, and this is also cancelled with 5, and you get 20, and your answer is 7 over 40. So you convert this thing 17.5% as a fraction in its simplest form. Similarly, uh, again 9 and 5 are the co-prime numbers. So 9 into 5, and you multiply this 5 with this and 9 with this. Okay. Uh, so 2 into 5 plus 2 into 9, sorry, 4 into 5. This is 4. 4 into 5 plus 2 into 9. And this is 20 plus 18 over uh, again 9 into 5. And that is equals to 38 over 45. And I think there is no cancellation. You can check. There is issue of battery, I think. Okay. 38 over 45. This is your answer. Now you want to convert the decimal or the fraction into percentage. Suppose you have 3 over 4 and you want to convert this fraction into percentage. You just multiply this thing with 100. Now it is cancelled and you get 25. 25 into 3 is 75. So this is 75%. And if you have something in decimal like 0.09 and you want to convert it into 100, you just multiply this thing by 100. And if you want to uh, convert the decimal into fractions, you just, if you have like 0.09 and you want to convert it, you can write it like this, 9 over 100, and this 100 is already there. So you cancel them. Suppose you have 0.2 over 0.03 and you want to remove their decimals. It's a very simple thing. Ki to remove this, it is just 1 unit move, 2 over 10 into 3, and you decimal moves two places towards right. So therefore, you multiply 100 with the numerator, opposite on opposite side. This is 20 over 3. And similarly, if you have say 0.09 and you want to remove this decimal, so you basically you shift this into this. This is 1 and 2, two places on right. So you just can multiply, divide it by 100. And we practice this thing again. And but filhal, it is 0.09 into 100, and you convert this 0.09 into fractions and you multiply this thing and these cancel and you get 9%. 0.09 can be written as written in a decimal form as a 9%. Now, suppose we have something uh, $120. We purchase something by $120 and $10, 10% is tax on it. If we want to calculate the tax on 120, this is the price and $10, 10% is tax on it. So, first we calculate the tax. Okay, what is the tax? Tax that is 10 over 100 because 10% is there of 120. So 12% tax on it. Sorry, $12. Sorry, $12 is the tax. Okay. Suppose we have 39 and 10% of 39 would be 10 over 100 multiplied by 39. So this is 3.9. And if it is in dollars, so you have to write down in two decimal places, not in single decimal place. You have to put zero with it if it is in dollars. And if it is not, so then 3.9 is 10% of 39. Okay. Now 75% of 3 over 4. So 75 over 100 multiplied by 3 over 4. And now we see 75 is divisible by 25 and sorry, we get 3. If we divide it by 25, we get 3 and this is with 4. 3 over 4 into 3 over 4, that is 9 over 16. So 75% of 3 over 4 is 9 over 16. Now we have the division sign. We can write it like this. It means this division is converted into multiplication. Then we take the reciprocal and we get 32 over 75. And that's it. I mean, we can't cancel them because 4, 8 cannot be cancelled with 7 and 5. So our answer is 32 over, sorry, 35. Okay. Uh, this is important and sometimes we have this type of questions. The fraction that lies exactly halfway between 3 over 5 and 3 over 4. We take the half of their sum 3 over 5 plus 3 over 4. Again, we see the denominators, these two denominators are co-prime. So 1 over 2 into 5 into 4 and we multiply by 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5 and we get 120 into 12 plus 15 over 20 and this is 27. I hope so. Yes, 27 over 2 into 20, that is 27. This is 27. 27 and 27 over 40 is your answer. And this is the fraction which is exactly halfway between 3 over 5 and 3 over 4. Again, we have 3 into, uh, now we convert it into improper fraction and that is 7. 1 into 7 plus 4 and this is 3 into 11 over 7 and you get 33/7. Now we consider uh, 7 and we take its table like 2 into 7, 14, and 3 into 7, 21, 4 into 7, 28, and 5 into 7 is 35. 35 is more than 33. So we stop it and we do it like this. 4 whole 33 minus 28/7. And our answer is 4. And this is, I think, 5 or 5. Yes, over 7. So this is the answer of this. 4 whole uh, 5/7. This type of fraction have two different ways. 1 whole 1/8 plus minus 1/4 minus 1/4. You see, when we divide the things, say uh, 33/7. So we used to uh, use the table 7 4s are 28 and this is 5. This thing is remainder, this is quotient, and this is divisor. And we can write it like this: 4 quotient plus remainder over divisor. And we can write it like this: 4 plus 5/7. And we are not using this in a mixed fraction plus. We just can write 5 whole, 4 whole 5/7. Similarly, we can write it like this: 1 plus 1/8 minus 1/4. Now, 8 and 4 are not co-prime. So we take their LCM, 8 and 4. And you see, this is 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. And this is 2, 1, 1. And LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So we multiply 2 with this, multiply and divide to get 8 in denominator. And 1 plus 8, 1 minus 2. This is 1 plus 1 minus 1/8. 1 minus 1/8. So now we can take again the LCM and we get 8 minus 1/8 and this is 7/8. This is one of the way to find out. Otherwise, you can solve it like this. 8 plus 1, 9/8 minus 2/8 and this is 9 minus 2/8, 7/8. You can solve it like this. Sometimes the method is very helpful. 5/9 into 2/3 into sorry, division. So now we convert this division into multiplication, this one, and it becomes 9 into 3/2. I mean, we take the reciprocal in front of 2/3 and we get 5/6. Now we have this thing, and uh, our question is to write them into mixed fraction. We use the table of 5. Uh, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. 25 is more than that. So 4 whole 23 minus 20 over 5. This is one of the way. Instead, you do using the division method, and you have 4 3 over 5. Now we have 3 over 8, and you convert it into because if there is nothing, it means there is 1, or you can, the reciprocal of 6 is 1 over 6. Simple as that. 1, and this is 2, and you get 1 over 16. 1 over 16 is their answer. Now 2 whole 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5. 2 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5. We solve this fraction only. 2 plus, and these are basically co-prime. So we write it like this: 3 into 5, and this is 2 into 5 minus 3. So 2 plus 10 minus 3 over 15, and we have 2 plus 7 over 15, or we can write it like this: 2 whole 7 over 15. Okay, you see, if we use it like this: 2 whole 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5. First of all, we write them into improper fraction. Uh, that is 2 into 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5. And this is 8 over 3 minus 1 over 5. This is 15, mean 3 into 5. 3 into 5. We multiply them afterward, after completing the fraction. And we get 8 into 5 minus 3 into 1. 8 into 5, this is 40. And we get 40 minus 3 over 35. Oh, sorry, 3 into 5, that is 15. Now we can write it like, because we have no hope of the cancellation. This is 37 over 15. Okay. Now, see, yeah, we use the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 53, 15 threes are 45, and 45 is more than 37. So we use it like this: 2 whole 37 minus 30 over 15. And this is 2 whole 7 over 15. You see, here there is no need uh, of by using the division thing. I mean, there is no need to convert it into mixed fraction form. It is already uh, given to you. I mean, 2 plus 7 over 15, and you write this answer like this. And it is bit complicated sometimes if the values are very odd. Odd means larger, bigger values. Okay. It is the same thing. 4 into 3 minus 1 into 7 over 7 into 3. 7 into 3. 12 minus 7 over 21. Okay, this is 5 over 21. Similarly, this is 4 into 3 minus 5 into 2 over 5 into 3. And this is 12 minus 10 over 15. This is 2 over 15. Again, it is the halfway. So this is 1 over 2, 3 over 5 plus 5 over 7. We write it like this. 3, this is halfway between, sorry, 5 over 7. This is 5 into 7, and 3 into 7 minus 5 into 5. This is 1 over 2. 21 minus 25. 3 over 5 plus, sorry, this is plus sign. I'm sorry. This is plus over 35. And we can have 46, 1 over 2 into 46 over 35. And this 2 cancel with this is 23. So 23 over 35 is the value, which is exactly halfway between 3 over 5 and 3 over 5 and 5 over 7. Again, 7 into 5, 3 into 5 plus 2 into 7, 15 plus 14 over 35. This is 29 over 35. 2/3 of uh, 6 over 11. So 2/3 of 6 over 11 means 2/3 of 6 over 11. Mean we multiply 2 over 3 with 6 over 11 and we get uh, this is cancelled with this. We get 4 over 11. 2/3 of 6 over 11 is 4 over 11. Now 0.045 as a fraction in its lowest term. 0.45, and we want to remove this decimal and we want to shift two places towards right. So we just write it like this. This is 9 and this is 20. So 9 over 20 is 0.45. Now we have three. If you catch my method, so it's very simple to find out. See, 3 whole 2 over 5 minus 1 whole 3 over 4. There is a negative sign, and you just subtract 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 2 over 5 minus 3 over 4. It makes your life easy and quick calculations. 2 plus, again, these two are co-prime, so 5 into 4, and this is 2 into 4 minus 3 into 5. This is 2. 8 minus 15 over 20. 2 minus 7 over 20. And again, you can, if you have, you just remain the negative sign to take the LCM again. If there is a plus sign, then it's good for you. So this is 2 into 20 minus 7 over 20. And this is 40 minus 7 over 20, and you get 33 over 20, and you can write 21s are 20, 22s are 40. So 40 is more than 33. So 133 minus 20 over 20. And your answer is 1 whole 13 over 20. Okay. Next, there is a 4 operations. Mean multiplication, division, subtraction, uh, BODMAS. So first of all, according to that rule, first of all, we have to solve the brackets. When we solve this bracket, you get 6 plus 4 into 0.6. And now you convert the decimal into fraction. It's easy for you. 6 plus 4 into 6 over 10. Mean we want to remove this decimal. We want to shift it one position towards right. Therefore, we use 10 in opposite side of 6. So this is 6 plus 24 over 10. And this is 6 plus 2.4. This is 8.4 is your answer. Now you have 1 plus 0.6 divided by 0.02, I think. Yes, 0.02. So first, you write it into fractions. This is 1 plus zero point 0.6 over 0.02. Remove the decimals and you get 1 plus 6 over 10 into 2 into 100. Mean you want to move this two places towards right, and uh, you want to move this decimal one place towards right. So you put 10 here, opposite side of 6, and uh, 1 with 2 mean 100 on the opposite side of 2. This 0 cancel with this, and this is cancelled with this. You get 3, and your answer is 1 plus 3 into 10, 30. This is 31. 31 is your answer. This all thing is without calculator. Now you can write this 13 over 10 and 3 over 10. This is 39 over 100. And now you want to remove this 100. So you get 0.39. Your answer must be in decimals because your question is in decimal. This 0.05 mean you can write it like this, 5 over 100, because there are two places after the decimal. Therefore, you put 100 in denominator, and this is 3 over 10, and you get 15 over 1000. And now decimal is here basically. So you want to remove this 1000 from the denominator. It is 0.015, mean 1, 2, and 3. 3 zeros, you want to remove 3 zeros, so you move the decimal towards left by 3 places. First of all, you multiply them. So 2 minus 12 over 10 into 3 over 10. So this is 2 minus 36 over 100, and 36 over 100 can be written as 2 minus 0.36. And now you subtract 0.36 from 2. So 2 0.00 and 0.36. You shift 1 here. This is 10, and now you take 1 from 10, and you get 9 here, and 10, 4, and 9, 3, 6.1. So 1.64. 2.7 into, so 27 over 10 into 2 over 10. When we multiply 27 into 2, we get 54 over 100, and this is 0.54. 0.54. Similarly, okay, we just left 31. It we solve it with estimation because this is the question of estimation, not of the 4 equations. Okay. This is 10 multiplied with 74.6. So when we remove this 10, so it becomes 746 minus 389. And now we subtract 746, 389, 14. Now it becomes 13, and this is 16. 16 minus 9 is 7, or 13 minus 8 is 5. And now here we left just 6, 3. The 357 is the answer of this whole thing. First, we multiply 3 with 2. We can't add 5 plus 3 because, first of all, we have to operate, mean we perform multiplication and then we uh, go for another operation. 5 plus 6 minus 1. Now you can use it like this: 5 plus 6, 11, 11 minus 1, 10, or 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 11 minus 1, and this is 10. 10 is your answer. Now we discuss the estimation in the next